Welcome to Redline Channel Automotive. We may make educated guesses about the external appearance of a 2026 Alfa Romeo motorhome based on the brand's design cues. Even though Alfa Romeo does not presently offer a motorhome model and no formal declaration regarding future motorhome manufacturing plans has been made, if Alfa Romeo produces a campervan, the outside will probably have a sporty, sophisticated, and fervent Italian aesthetic. Here are a few possible design components. The primary feature at the front will undoubtedly be the inverted triangle grille, which is the emblem of every Alfa Romeo. It will probably be proportionately designed to the motorhome size. Alfa Romeo's body contours are renowned for being sensuous and flexible. In an attempt to conceal the boxy impression that is typical of RVs, an Alfa Romeo motorhome will probably have flowing lines from front to rear. Such the contemporary Alfa Romeo cars such the tonale, the headlights and taillights are expected to have a sleek, modern look, possibly using LED parts that form a distinctive pattern. A prominent feature of the side view will be the alloy wheels, which have a distinctive Alfa Romeo style and may be big and athletic. The inside will probably have a sophisticated but athletic Italian design aesthetic. This might imply attention to detail, dynamic lines, and aesthetically pleasing forms. Alfa Romeo is renowned for its use of premium materials including genuine metal accents, Alcantara, exquisite leather, and carbon fiber maybe as an accent. This legacy will probably be carried on by the Alfa Romeo version of the RV, which will provide an opulent and sophisticated ambience. Although it is a motorhome, Alfa Romeo's history as a driver-focused automaker is probably reflected in the design of the cockpit. This might entail the use of materials that are comfortable for lengthy trips, an intelligible instrument layout, and a decent driving stance. It's anticipated that the dashboard design will smoothly include a contemporary infotainment system with a sizable touchscreen. Alfa Romeo will probably make an effort to integrate cutting-edge technologies without compromising interior design. We can only imagine as to what sort of engine Alfa Romeo may employ if it were to manufacture a motorhome. Alfa Romeo would most likely aim to provide something athletic and unique given their DNA. Although this would be quite uncommon for a motorhome, it may make use of a more potent version of the engine found in the Stelvio SUV, such the 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder or perhaps the 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 from the Quadrifoglia.